Hi guys, welcome back to the quick tutorial. I'll show you two easy ways to insert checkboxes. First of all, you need to open your Word document. I'll simply open my Word document. After opening your Word, simply choose the Word document you want to put the checkbox in. Suppose this is my Word document. Now to put the checkboxes, as you can see I have put already here. To put checkboxes, you need to simply go on the Home tab and go to the drop down menu, drop down arrow at the bullet points. As you can see, here is the bullet. These are the numbering library and this is the bullet option. You can insert any bullet here. Suppose I want to put this check mark. Yes, now your check mark is now added here, as you can see, like this. So I want to put here also. Simply select this and go on the Home tab and simply go on the bullet point and like this, and that's it. Whether you are marking or printing list, you are good to go. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe for more word tips, and I'll see you in the next one.